Namaskar, welcome to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Now let us have a look on headlines. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized performance review conference for its professionals. Earth Hour was observed throughout the nation for creating a healthier environment. To develop the self-esteem of young people, Bihar State and Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized various Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence workshops. Basanta Utsav was observed by Eastern and Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on the occasion of Holi. Members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides are watering plants in this hot summer. Social awareness on COVID was created by members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Mask Lagaye, School Jaye Abhiyan by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State conducted the 68th State Counseling Meeting. Second Patrol Leaders Training Camp organized by Arunachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Educational Tool and Youth Development Center inaugurated at State Headquarters Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides. News in brief. Performance Review Conference was organized for the professionals of Bharat Scouts and Guides from 26th to 31st March 2021. In the review conference, Honorable Chief National Commissioner Dr. K.K. Kandelwal blessed the NHQ professionals in the glorious presence of Mr. M.A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner, and Mr. Shamal Kumar Biswas, National Commissioner of Scouts, Adult Resources. In the conference, HODs of Regional Headquarters, National Training Center, National Adventure Institute, and National Headquarters presented their achievements. Bharat Scouts and Guides reviewed and prepared a roadmap to Vision 2024 on 6 priority areas such as youth program, adult management, governance, finance, communication, and growth. Earth Hour is a worldwide movement organized by the Worldwide Fund WWF for Nature. The event is held annually, encouraging individuals, communities, and businesses to turn off non-essential electric lights. Keeping this view in mind, members of Bihar, Eastern Railway, East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, Jharkhand, KVS, Odisha, South Eastern Railway, and West Bengal observed Earth Hour on 27th March 2021 from 8:30 pm to 9:30 pm by switching off lights in their homes and also organized virtual campfires. Action on Body Confidence is an educational program launched by WAGS to take action on developing the self-confidence of people. State-level workshop was organized by Bihar State and Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 22nd to 24th and 24th to 26th March 2021 at Patna and Goleshapur respectively. Group level workshop Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence was organized by South Group of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides on 30th March 2021 under the leadership of Mr. Arjit Sen with the assistance of Mr. Shubham Singh, in which various ABC activities were organized. Samastipur district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence workshop on 31st March 2021 for Scouts and Guides under the leadership of Mr. Chitranjan Kumar Sharma, District Organizing Commissioner, Scout. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated throughout the nation to spread love, peace, and happiness. To commemorate the occasion, members of Eastern and Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Basanta Utsav on 28th and 29th March 2021 by means of Parbat Peri. To make the environment better, members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides are taking initiatives in watering the plants in their local communities as a part of sustainable development goals. Social awareness on COVID-19 was created by the members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides in their community, in which they are painting trees with a social message on COVID-19 to spread and create more and more awareness as the second phase of COVID-19 is knocking at the door. As the the schools have started in the normal amidst of COVID-19, Mask Lagaye School Jaye Abhiyan is started by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in which they are continuously creating awareness, especially to the school-going children, and urging them to wear masks and then go to school. 68th State Council meeting of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam State, held at SHQ Assam on 30th March 2021. The chairperson of this meeting was Ms. Leena Datta, State Commissioner of Guides. In this meeting, the members of the council were presented by law draft, where the members accepted the same with small changes. The council also presented honorable charge to Anna Rai. The council provided information about the last year's minutes, including Lakshmi Mazamdar Award, pandemic situation, warrior, etc. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Arunachal Pradesh organized second patrol leaders training camp at Government Secondary School, Lower Dibang Valley district of Arunachal Pradesh from 26th to 27th March 2021. An educational tour was organized by Assam State Kamrup district from 19th to 22nd March 2021 from Guwahati to Uppar, Assam, in which 42 youth participated from different schools of the district. The Youth Development Center, a joint initiative of Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides Fellowship, Assam and SIET Foundation was inaugurated on 20th March 2021 at the state headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam. This center proposes to train not only Scouts and Guides but also youth of Northeast region. The meeting was attended by Dr. Nirupama Devi, ex-professor Cotton University, Ms. Daina Karsing, International Secretary, Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship, Shri P. K. Das, Adjunct Director, STIP, Shri Polesh Bhomik, Chief Manager Training, NSIC, Shri Khangen Chandradas, State Secretary, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam, Shri Rajendra Prasad Gautam, Vice President, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam, and officials of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam. In this meeting, Shri A.K. Apsar Hazarika, State Chief Commissioner of Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides, also sent his message to bless the Youth Development Center. The Bardapur District Association of NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides and organized 3 days first state training camp from 26th to 28th March 2021 at Bardapur District. 133 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers actively participated in this training course. The Scouts and Guides of KV INS Dronacharya, Cochin, Kerala observed Earth Hour on 27th March 2021 from 8:30 pm to 9:30 pm for symbolizing our commitment to the planet Earth. And the main goal of this activity is to spread awareness about sustainability and climate change. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides has successfully organized ABC FBM workshop from 25th to 27th March 2021 at District Youth Services and Sports Office, Rajouri, in which 50 unit leaders of state took active part. Northern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides has organized basic and advanced course for Scout Masters from 18th to 24th March 2021. At Leela Berry State Training Center, Raiwala, 35 participants took part in basic course and 18 participants participated in advanced course. The district rally was organized by North Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides District Gorakhpur from 22nd to 26th March 2021 at the state headquarters complex Gorakhpur, in which 200 Scouts and Guides participated. It is of great pleasure that National Headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides is providing Plastic Tide Turners badge to all the champions of Tide Turners Plastic Challenge. Those who have completed the Tide Turners Plastic Challenge are requested to fill up the Google form to get your badges. Forthcoming events and programs. The venue of National Youth Forum for Rovers and Rangers from 26th to 30th April 2021 has been changed. Now the event will be organized at Educational Hub Syahimudi Korba instead of ITI Chorbati Gopalpur, Korba District, Korba, Chhattisgarh State. For details, refer to the NHQ Circular Number 21, 2021, dated 25th February 2021, and Circular Number 29, 2021, dated 26th March 2021. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides is organizing national level tribal Scout Guide Amrit Mahotsav at Leo International Institute, Banswara, Rajasthan from 19th to 23rd April 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular Number 30, 2021, dated 27th March 2021. 32nd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree 2021 from 11th December to 19th December 2021, Teknaf, Cox's Bazar, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Last dated is 30th April 2021. Contact your respective state for participation. Quota is limited. Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters is organizing Membership Growth Facilitators training from 20th to 23rd April at National Headquarters, New Delhi. The highest training of unit leader Himalaya Wood Batch course for Guide Wing, that is Flock Leaders, from 13th to 19th May 2021. Guide Captains from 16th to 22nd May 2021 and Ranger Leaders from 13th to 19th May 2021. And Scout Wing, that is Cup Masters, from 13th to 19th May 2021. Scout Masters 5th to 11th May 2021 and Rover Scout Leaders from 13th to 19th May 2021 are scheduled to be held at National Training Center, Pachmarhi. Leader Trainer course for Scout Wing scheduled from 23rd to 29th April 2021 at National Training Center, Pachmarhi. This is all for today's news. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off.